How to download all photos from Messenger at once. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Open the option of settings and privacy. Now head towards the option of settings. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under your information, you will find the option of download your information option. Click on it. Now click on continue. Now click on this option of request a download. From this page, you are able to select Facebook page as well. Once you are done, click on next. You will get two options, complete copy and select types of information. Select the second one option, select types of information. Now over here, you're gonna find tons of options. Scroll down. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Check in for the option of post. Also check in for the option of stories as it includes photos as well. Once you check in for these options, click on next. From here, you can select the format, likewise quality, and then date range. Once you are done, you can click on submit request. Now after a few days, you can come to the same page and check whether your file is ready or not. So this is how you can download all photos from Messenger at once. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.